Hi, welcome to Stream at BONIM. Today we're going to be talking about two forces, centrifugal force, and we'll be talking about inertia. Centrifugal force is not actually a force. It's the tendency of an object to follow a curved path unless something gets in its way to keep it to stop moving. Sometimes there are rides at carnivals that go round and round, and the centrifugal force is what keeps us against the back of our seat. Today, we're going to be talking and demonstrating centrifugal force. We're also talking about inertia. Inertia is one of Sir Isaac Newton's laws of motion. What that means is, if we have an object and it's on my hand, and I don't move my hand, and I don't put a force on this object, it will stay totally still and not move. However, if I get that object and I let it go, it will continue going unless there's something to stop it. So let's see what happens. Whoa. Okay, that is one of the laws of motion of Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton lived over 200 years ago, and yet he is still considered the most influential scientist of all times. He was born in England. He loved math. He loved science. He loved physics. He loved theologies, and he was an author. He wrote books. He was very smart. If we think back to what we did this year, Sir Isaac Newton, when he was about 18 years old, was sitting in a field, and an apple fell. And that apple became one of the theories of a force of motion, or a law of motion. Today, we're going to do art using the centrifugal force. So we have to remember that the centrifugal force is the tendency of an object following a curved path flies away from the center path. So what we're going to do, we're going to use a salad spinner. And that's just what it does. It spins salad. So with this one, I'm going to get a piece of paper, and I'm going to put the paper in the middle. I'm going to take 3 of the primary colors. We know that the primary colors are red and yellow and blue. When those colors are mixed, they form the secondary colors, which is orange and purple and green. And we're going to see how using the centrifugal force will make the primary colors create secondary colors. So here we go. We're going to do this experiment twice. One time we're using a plain piece of paper. The second experiment is using coffee filters, 2 coffee filters. They're basically the same salad spinners. So here we go. We're going to begin here. Oops, no problem. We're going to go here. We're going to use red and yellow and blue. So I'm going to pour a little bit of red in here. I'm going to pour a little bit of yellow in here. And come on in and see the center of the colors. And here we're going to have a little bit of blue. Okay? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the cover and I'm going to put it on top. And what I'm going to do is push. I'm going to make it spin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there it goes. It's going round and round. And let's see what happens when we take the color off, if we have created any of the secondary colors. Well, let's see. I see orange, I see green, and I see purple. So by using centrifugal force, we have created the secondary colors. So we're going to try this again, and this time I'm going to use a different type of paper called, I'm going to use them. I'm going to use coffee filters, and let's see how that works out. So I'm going to put a little bit of red. Oops. I'm going to put a little bit of blue. And I'm going to put a little bit of yellow. Here we go. I'm going to put the top on the salad spinner, and let's see what happens. Centrifugal force is pushing the colors away from the center point, and here we go. I'm going to stop it, and where did it go? Whoa. All right, went against the side, but here it is. We have some green, we have a little bit of purple, and there we go. So this is called the law of inertia and centrifugal force, and we use a salad spinner to create art. And you can try this at home as well. And this is the way that we add art when we use science. So keep using your scientific mind and look at the world around you. Have a great day.